Just went to Walmart and I picked up some Hyper-Tough 3/8 drive deep well impact sockets, SAE and metric. I gotta cut these little tabs right here. That's one. And that's two. Alright, so now they should just slide out. There's the SAE. Let's do it to the metric. But before I do, just wanting to say something quick about the Hyper-Tough sockets. I really like their build or their package, because as you can see, when you take them out, it gives you an organization rail with it. One modification I do to these before I start using them, I take all the sockets off and I cut the little tab that's on the thing to hold the socket on there, so when I'm trying to get my socket, it don't do this. On with the metric now. Alright, go ahead and get the second one. Okay, that should be two. Still some left over of this one. Alright, that should be good enough. When you drop it out. This one's kind of stuck still. There it goes. Alright, and there's the metric. I'm gonna run a quick time lapse of me cutting the tabs off of these organizers. Alright, they're all done. Thanks for watching.